If these searches inside the setting here does not work once you have updated your phone to iOS 26, then let us see what to do. The first thing is, if you have recently updated, then you have to leave your phone for few hours along with Wi-Fi connected, so that the new iOS will index all the files that are present in your iPhone. The next thing that we will do is we will change the language in our iPhone. So go to settings here, go to general, then go to language and region, select add language, and if you have selected English UK, then you have to go down and then select English US. After that, use English US. Let the phone restart. So this is the first thing that you will do. The next thing that you will do is you will again go to settings, go to this option Apple Intelligence and Siri, then go down here and under suggestions, whatever you see, turn this off. Similarly, go back here and go to search, turn this option show recent searches, show related content, and from here also you have to go to each application and turn this off. Now if you have more applications here, then it will take a lot of time. Once you try this option and once you have done this one, you will restart your iPhone and then go to settings again and check if the searches work this time or not. Later on, whatever things you have disabled, you can enable it again.